Alright guys, today is the easy stuff. Alright, this is just the start. We start today. I'm gonna just knock out the oil change first. Just get that out of the way. Cause I'm done using that Motorcraft shit. First things first. I need another glove.
Okay. Let's get it. 10 or 11.
Just gonna let that drain. Yeah, I might need the. Oh.
You alright, Tito?
Yeah, T, what you doing?
What you doing over there, dude? Huh?
Get this fish out of here.
Damn. Oh shit.
Oh, there she goes.
Duh.
Yep.
Hey, look, I kept that big clean back.
Not bad.
Nice. Done with Motorcraft.
Yep.
Honestly, I should have changed. What's the thing?
What?
I should have changed a long time ago, dude.
Well,
This stuff.
first time this motor seems amicable. Got the bag.
Got the bag.
Secure the
Cause I got that
bag.
bag on me.
Get the bag on.
I got that bag on me.
Bam.
Bam. Bow. Bow.
Just keep it like pushed.
Yeah.
Wow, this motor is gonna look completely different.
Different, dude.
This is gonna be gone.
This is gonna be gone.
It's gonna be right there.
It's gonna be all the
Well,
little
yeah,
one.
yeah, different.
It's gonna be
tank.
small. Oh, it's gonna be smaller. It's a little smaller, isn't it?
Yeah,
Cause this thing is like fat.
it's a fat one.
Today is just the easy stuff. Today is the prep.
You gonna do a manifold swap? A lot of people.
2018.
I would do 2018. Yeah.
18. Ported 18.
Yeah, ported 18. This.
I don't really want to go Boss because everyone has a Boss.
Yeah, and you don't want to go Cobra Jet because that's too complicated with boost.
Would it even work with a Paxton?
You would need like a bunch of other stuff,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
if tuning would be hard. It's not worth it.
Yeah, no. Hey, when do you want me to order pizza? We haven't even started already.
We're already fucking trying to eat. I am a little hungry. I can't lie.
I'm hungry, dude.
I haven't ate all day.
I'm hungry.
Hey, did you show them the new banner?
Hey, we got a new banner.
That looks
Is
lit.
it me or the horse looks a little weird?
The eye.
The eye. Okay.
We got the front bumper off and the radiators.
We need to take off the intake. We need to take off.
So we are
Ready to take all this?
done that. So all we got to do now is take off the intake
sound tube.
and all the NA stuff.
Okay.
All this
On the
shit.
sound tube down there too. We need to yank
And then we're
that.
gonna need a
Oh,
yank.
this is already.
Yeah.
That hoe already loose.
We're gonna need to take off the. Yep. There you go.
Duh. We started a little late. It's already getting dark out. Yeah, we're taking our time. Earlier, I went to go pick up the oil and went to get a couple more things. So yeah.
Alright.
So we got all.
I broke the thing, dude.
You broke the.
It's okay.
Damn it, T.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
This is it right here.
This is it.
No turning back.
Once this coolant's out, there's no turning back.
Okay.
Remove the pressure cap from the engine coolant reservoir near the passenger side front of the engine compartment. Locate the engine coolant drain valve at the bottom passenger side corner of the radiator. Open the valve with the hex fitting and drain the coolant into a clean container for later reuse.
Oh,
Wait, what?
we can reuse that, so I don't
Yep.
need to buy the new.
No, you can reuse it. Yeah.
Well, didn't you already buy coolant?
I bought coolant.
Well then,
Let's
just
just use
good.
that.
Okay, then I'm using the
You're
new
good.
coolant.
You're good.
Drain enough to empty the reservoir and below the level of the upper radiator hose. Oh, someone can open this.
Yeah, I'll open it. There it is.
There it is. Damn, bien chorro.
Yeah,
Bien
right.
chorrillo. Dude, that looks like watermelon juice.
I wouldn't drink it. I wouldn't drink it.
Unclamp and disconnect the two small hoses from the upper portion of the coolant reservoir. This is when it starts to get serious, guys.
Start taking
We are taking off your coolant system.
Hold on, let me get the can.
You got camshaft?
Stage 3.
We're taking off the whole coolant thing. This is just like that?
Yep. Just squeeze it and I'll pull.
That was easy. What the hell?
Go ahead. This should come off.
Yeah. All right, boys. One step closer.
We're
step
gonna
closer.
say that for every step.
No, we need to take our time with
Our
it.
time. We're taking our time.
Okay, yeah.
We've been at it for like.
An hour.
Hair pressure.
Hair past an hour.
Okay, unclamp and disconnect the larger hose, this big from the bottom of the coolant reservoir. Be prepared to catch any spillage. So,
Towel? Straight.
Yeah, I don't know about the towel.
so light.
Light.
See this thing, Nico?
I will get some yellow ones.
Nah, dude, no.
I mean, I got black ones.
I just need to get a detail on it. I just want to say that, please don't stalk us.
Yeah, please stop
Yeah,
driving
man.
by our house.
It'll get to that point where we're gonna have to say it in the vids, like, hey guys, y'all for real need to stop driving by. Just.
I got a 12 gauge.
We do need a little.
Yeah, we need
At least like a pellet gun to not kill some people. You know,
We
give them a
gotta
good
get the
look.
round.
bro.
What?
Robert comes and we got a pellet gun?
Dude, you can kill with somebody like
Yeah,
that. Bop, bop.
we need a 9mm.
At
You got
least.
shit. You got him in the eye. You got him blind.
Sure. 12 gauge, man. Cheap.
You got
12 gauge, you just gonna blow the head off.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I'm trying to be civil,
Let's
but if
keep
you.
these in here so we don't forget bullets and let's
And
just
then
set
that,
this
Yeah.
down.
shut that down.
Hey, I'm just trying to be civil. You know what I mean?
Hey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This thing,
So that thing.
this right here, we're gonna need to get out somehow. Does it, what's it say? Read it out.
Release the quick release upper radiator hose connection to the thermostat housing by pulling the spring clip back and sliding the hose fitting off. Remove the upper radiator hose and set it aside for later modification and reuse. In this.
Oh yeah, see that little piece of metal?
Yeah, right there.
I gotta get to that somehow.
Boom.
There it is. Boom.
Twist, tug it. Nope.
There it is.
Yup.
You got a little accent.
You got the
there.
cardboard right there. Thank God. You got the
Got a
cardboard.
little.
For those of you who's gonna clown on us, this is our first time.
First time.
Boy, y'all better not clown, man.
Unplug the electrical connector from the fan assembly.
All right. So.
But.
Make sure it doesn't get wet.
Yeah.
There's coolant spray all over it.
Maybe we should cover it or something. I don't know. It's up to you.
Wait, what?
Because I don't want this to get wet with coolant.
You want to wrap it around something?
That's fine. I'll put it
It'll
right
be
there.
alright,
I'll
be
put it
alright.
right there. Okay. Remove the two 10mm head fasteners securing the radiator fan assembly to the radiator.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Slower?
Yes.
Okay.
Slow.
Remove the two 10mm headed fasteners securing the radiator fan assembly to the radiator. Okay. So the
One
radiator,
per side, near the top of the shroud.
I don't know what that is. All right. Oh, no, we got a connection right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's it. You got it right.
Ooh.
There you go, boss. See, look how much room we have now.
That is a lot of room.
Use a 15mm wrench. Okay, this is the cool part.
Okay.
To rotate the belt tensioner counterclockwise to release the tension from the outer 6-rib accessory drive belt. Remove the belt and set it aside.
Okay. So all we need to do is take this out.
We need a 15mm. Alright, try to pull that belt off. Yep.
From the top.
There you go. Perfect.
Alright, that's it. That's all we need.
There we go. Okay.
Next step.
Don't be shy. There you go.
Ouch.
It's okay. It's part of it, man. Cuts and bruises.
Oh.
This is where it gets complicated.
Alright, where should we put these?
I say like once we take off the throttle body, put them inside.
Okay.
So they'll be inside the holes. Oh, there you go.
On to babies.
So that way we don't lose them holes.
Those are more. What?
If it was
I
up
could
to
just
us,
do
we would
this
do this all night.
Yeah, it's like a stress reliever.
It's a drug. It's a drug, dude.
All right, well, okay, we gotta fill these guys in a little bit. What have we done so far?
So, okay, guys. First of all, we took obviously the basic stuff.
Wow.
You know, intake,
Fan.
fan.
All the tubes and everything.
We also tension. We did.
Tensioner
we undid
belt?
the almost to get some light in there.
Down right there.
Tensioner belt.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
And then took off the little throttle body strip.
Throttle body.
We just had to very, very carefully
Cut that.
cut this. You see how we cut it?
If you guys puncture this, it is over.
We don't need those no more, right?
No.
No, that's trash.
So we took out the reservoir. We took out the fan. That's basically it.
Okay. Now we need to.
So
put
now
this
we're
on.
Yeah.
we're using that. We're replacing.
Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh wait. That's
Oh
right.
yeah, no, it's this way.
No, it's the other way. There you
No.
go, like that. Yep, look. It's like that.
Okay.
No,
This way.
This way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're
There you go.
replacing that old one with this one. What do you guys think so far?
Easy, honestly.
Yes.
Well,
step by
for
step
now.
was pretty easy.
But yes, first day went smooth.
Taking everything off is probably the easiest part.
Yeah. So tomorrow we got to start with spark
Tomorrow's
plugs.
the challenge. Tomorrow is the challenge.
Tomorrow is a challenge.
Spark plugs. Hey, tomorrow we should be able to mount the fucking Paxton.
Yeah, most likely.
I feel like we should.
At night, I feel like we should do it in the day. I don't know. We'll see what's up. We'll see how things go. Cause you're gonna get home late,
Yeah.
I got class tomorrow.
and you got class tomorrow. So if anything, tomorrow can just be spark plugs and
Yeah.
and just
That's probably all we have time for tomorrow. And
Well,
and
dude,
once
we got.
Saturday hit.
Oh, Saturday we'll probably be able to get it done, and Sunday we can tune it. So I told you today was the easy day, so we're gonna wrap it up now and call it a night. Some pretty easy steps today. I also got the oil change out the way because I needed to do an oil change. And well, ditch that motorcraft. So yeah, guys, hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I can't believe we're actually filming the Paxton install. Like, this is crazy. Tomorrow. You good, bro? But
Yeah. You called me on the
I'm just wrapping up. You got anything to say?
Actually, you know what?
Well,
That's it.
we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, well,
All right, y'all. Hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Should have been here a long time ago. Tomorrow, I feel like it's gonna get a little hard, but hey, it's all good. Yeah, just pray for us, okay? So the Stang will soon be boosted, and yes, sir. Peace out, y'all. See you tomorrow.